Steamed pudding with golden syrup. A bread from Australia. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Cream the butter and sugar. Beat in the egg. Fold in the flour alternately with milk and vanilla. Step 2. Put the golden syrup in the bottom of a 4-cup pudding basin or ordinary ceramic basin. Spoon the pudding mixture onto the top of the golden syrup. Cover with a lid or pudding cap, or use greaseproof paper
Step
or
3.
aluminum foil. Put the bowl in a large saucepan with
band.
about 10 centimeters of water. The water should come halfway up the side of the pudding bowl. Simmer gently for about 1.5 hours. Remove the water, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then turn it out onto a dish. Travel. Serve with cream.